Greetings, River Lady here, and I'm going to do a video on why you shouldn't deadhead your sedum. So here you can see a clump of my autumn fire sedum. It came back really well this year. Last year it didn't do too well, but this year it's doing great. And let's go over and look at some of my other sedum plants. Here you can see my crop of autumn joy. They're doing pretty darn good. I got a little bit of spreading in the middle of the plants, and I can show you that here. And that was due to the rain that we had. We had some torrential downpours and it flattened my sedum. My stems are pretty good. My stems are nice and thick, so the sedum was standing upright and I didn't get that spread. But if you're getting that spread in your sedums, it could be because the sedum is not getting enough sun. But anyway, I'm not here to talk about all of that. I can do a separate video on that if you'd like. I'm here to tell you why you should not deadhead your sedums once your blossoms are past. And I'm going to let this little white-throated sparrow picture that I took last year show you what I'm going to lead up to. The birds love to glean the spent seeds. Here I have a sedum that was one of my first ones to bloom this season, and the buds are pretty well spent. Let me come in close and show you. We have here still some good buds, but we also have some dry buds here. Dry buds here. But I'm not going to deadhead this sedum. Sedum does not need to be deadheaded because it won't rebloom, so you're not going to encourage new blossoms. But also you want to leave the spent flowers because the birds will glean them and get food. And then when you get your first hard frost, you can cut the sedum down, or you can just leave it and cut it down in the spring. If you leave it, it'll add interest to your winter garden. If you don't leave it, that's okay too. But at least leave the spent blossoms for the birds to have something to eat. Okay, that's it. I have nothing else for you. This is River Lady saying thank you for watching and happy gardening. Bye.